men's mind state and cultural reviews. We got an eviction by force, but let me just tell you to prepare to adjust your volume because we got a couple of battle axes with horns on them who think you have to yell to talk to people 2 inches from your face. With that being said, we've got 50 police body cam providing some of the text on screen that we see. So let's get right into this.
Sheriff's Office, we're here in the lawful eviction. Sheriff's Office, open the door. You are now placed under arrest. Come to the door. Need to open the door.
I can hear you inside. If you don't come to the door, we're going to breach the door. We're going to force it open. Open the door.
I'm on the phone with the sheriff's office.
That's us.
Yeah. No, what's the reason? What's the reason? Wait. I'm on the phone. Don't press talk.
Push through.
No, get off of me. What are you doing? Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me.
You're under arrest.
I'm not under arrest for what? Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me.
Stop. We are the police. Put your hand behind me. Let me cut your hand behind your back.
No.
Put your other hand behind your back. Do it.
I'm not moving, y'all. Get off. Get off of me. Get off. Hey, get off of me.
Ma'am, I don't want
Get off. You're hurting my arm. You're hurting my arm.
Well, stop.
Get off of me. Get off of me. So I can talk. Get off of me.
Let me go. Listen to me. Listen to me.
You know what?
I'm going to double lock these.
I've already called FBI.
Okay, stop moving.
I've already called FBI. Trust me, they will be out here.
Okay.
Because I used to work for them.
Okay.
Yeah, don't play no games with me.
So she said she used to work for the FBI, and that's supposed to scare somebody. Yes, because you used to sweep floors on the 3rd floor of the FBI building. Somebody really cares, like you have some power. You'd be either sweeping floors or you were some kind of clerk or something like that. Stop acting as if you were some sort of FBI agent with some kind of power, and the FBI is going to get involved with a local eviction. They're not coming. Spoiler, if you haven't watched the video already. Big spoiler alert, the FBI is not coming to save her. Oh man, so they start off, they're calling the sheriff's department on the sheriff's department. Again, that makes a lot of sense. Look, if you're gonna call law enforcement against law enforcement, at least call a different agency than the one that you're calling them on. Like the other guys from their office are gonna come and stop their teammates from their own office from affecting whatever they're doing at that time. This is dumb every time. You're going to call the sheriff on the sheriff. Doesn't make any sense. So let's get back into this. It seemed like they had an eviction order out on them, and the sheriffs are here to enforce. Let's see what's happening.
What have I done?
We got all you on your side.
Get off of me.
Yeah, we're trying to.
No. Get off of me.
I don't want the cuffs to hurt. So you stop.
Just sit
No,
down.
because y'all keep doing this.
Sheriff's office.
It's a hard
Because it's not right. They doing it. I ain't never been arrested.
No.
And I tell you one thing. I got my whole company involved. And they will be out here.
No, who
Yeah.
sent you out here anyway? I'm not refusing. It's not an
It's
eviction.
not. It's
No.
not.
These people have
We
been
done paid what we had to pay.
scamming.
She talking about she not resisting, but she was just standing in the doorway like she thought she was the 300, that she was going to take her stand here.
This is where we hold them!
Now she wants to pretend to be demure after 2 old women thought they could hold off 6 grown men from coming through the door. So they were going to really try to put up a fight. Oh, funny. Let's hear what else they got.
Paid what we
These
had to
people
pay.
scamming.
Yes, they
I've
are.
been through this with Rockford, Ogle County, and they've been doing this. They've been scheming and scamming.
Yes.
Stealing my personal information. This neighbor right here has had our court
Papers, documents in their hand.
Documents.
They brought it over here. What they do about documents? That's what I
Y'all
like to know.
violating orders.
We're not.
No.
It's just the principle of the
We
matter.
didn't pay our association due.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
what's the problem? What is the problem? It's
You're
not right.
No, you're not telling me. sent you out here anyway. Because we didn't violate any court order. They keep putting...
All right. Sorry,
We haven't done anything.
Not a thing.
No, they've been constantly harassing.
Exactly.
Every last person in this community been constantly harassing us. And we ain't doing nothing. Y'all keep putting documents on the occupants. We are the owners. Why is this neighbor right here have our personal information?
Yes.
Can I talk to you without you yelling at me for a minute?
I'm not
listening.
really yelling. I'm just talking my voice.
It just don't make no sense. I don't like this kind of stuff.
Listen, here. Let me try to talk to you, okay? Let me try to explain what's going on, okay? Understand this, all right? So this has obviously been going through court for quite some time.
No, because
Hang on, let me finish. Let me see where I'm coming from, and then I'll listen to where you're coming from, okay? So we had paperwork that was signed by a judge that says that as of today, you guys are evicted, okay? So it's our job
But why?
for failure to pay. There's not some...
no. We have the associate.
Okay,
We have all the
listen,
receipts, and we show them that.
I get it, but listen to me, okay? When we tell you that we have to do something, you have to listen to us. And
No, we listened the first time.
Okay, but when we have an order signed by a judge that says you as the sheriff's office have to go evict these people out of the house,
Evict, but for what?
We have
What
to do it.
reason?
We've been going through this. No.
What reason? If we paying our
These
mortgage,
folks been scheming and scamming,
Yes.
using our personal information.
Exactly.
This chick right here, this neighbor right here, came to our door with the same documents in her hand. The
What,
same
wait a minute.
documents
Both
that
neighbors.
the other officer.
One is Caucasian, the other one is black. What are they doing with our
We don't
personal
have
information in
any
their
legal
hands?
issues.
And they're going to bring it to our
guys,
door.
stop this.
They're going to bring it to our door.
My
And
voice
guess what?
carries.
What they doing with our information, that's a free... Oh my gosh, I ain't got to tell you. You
We've
already...
already been exposed by identity theft.
Exactly.
She has, I have,
I understand.
and it comes from all these
I
folks
understand.
leaking our personal information
I
and
understand
keep
that.
causing legal issues.
I
We don't
understand.
have legal issues. We don't
Never
go
had.
back and forth
Never
in
had.
courts. This been a problem. That's what I'm saying.
I understand. You can take all that stuff up in the court, okay? As far as right now, you're both charged with criminal
already did.
trespass and with obstructing, or with...
We not obstructing nothing.
How is criminal
been-
trespass?
Listen,
And we
listen.
own this place. We
Listen.
own it.
Listen, the crews are going to come in, they're going to take your items out and put them on the street.
Well, apparently you don't own it anymore, lady. I don't know what the situation here is. We don't have a lot of detail. The cops were saying they didn't pay on time, but I don't think the cop really knows what the situation is because they don't adjudicate the issue. They just execute the court order. So arguing with the cops about what your standing is and your legal standing and this, that, and the other, it doesn't matter. They're just going to execute the court order, period. And they keep talking about somebody stealing their information. They're going to go on about that on and on. It's a conspiracy. Who knows? I guess aliens are coming down and probing them in the middle of the night. They seem like some conspiracy theorists. They seem a little bit like solvent citizens, though I didn't hear them use specific solvent citizen language as they go through this. But let's keep on. They keep on yelling too. So we'll just get back to that. Here it goes.
Take your items out and put them on the street. Is there someone we can call for your dog? If not, we have to call animal control.
No, you're not going to call animal control with
Is
my
there
dog.
someone that I can call for your
No.
dog?
We have. She's
No.
paying her mortgage.
That's right.
We own
Take that
this
stuff.
property.
You can take it up in
No,
court.
what court order? Because we already explained that to the judge.
We'll give you
No,
that.
the attorney has been. They've been
You have a warrant?
falsely.
You don't have a warrant?
For right now,
Do you have a warrant?
we have eviction paperwork. That's what we
Do you have
No,
Do you have a
they
warrant?
No,
Yes,
you
you
need
do.
a warrant.
Yes,
you
you do.
need a
Is there
warrant.
someone that I can call for your
No,
dog?
I do not.
I'm
You
not
have
trying to
shoes
tell you how to
on?
do your job.
You have shoes. You have shoes.
I get that. But I get that, but I've never been locked up. Never been locked up. And for some crazy
You have shoes
stuff.
somewhere?
This is part of the eviction.
No,
Do you not want shoes?
Yeah, what we being evicted for?
Bam.
That's
You have
all.
shoes, yes or no?
Huh?
You have shoes, yes or no?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
And I gotta go get them.
Where are they at?
No.
No, I had to get it because my personal stuff is out. My personal stuff is out.
Where are your shoes at? I'll go get them.
I'll get them. I'll get them.
I will get them.
I have to get
Where are
them.
they at?
Sir.
We'll get them.
No, I get them myself.
That's not how
They can follow me up here.
No, they've been mad because they've been exposed for the corrupt and illegal stuff they've been
Here,
doing.
you're going to put these
You're
on.
corrupt and illegal. I can't.
I cannot.
Put your shoes on.
I can't. How am I gonna go without socks?
Yes.
No, they've been trying to take all of my stuff.
No.
All of my stuff.
I have to get my papers, darn it.
Ma'am.
Let me get my papers. Let me get my papers. No, because my papers are approved. What I'm telling you all.
You've been violating our rights.
Guys,
Exactly.
the time for talking is over. You're under arrest. Okay?
He's got a full bench.
Well, you know what?
They can both go in the same car.
Where's that officer? No, where's that officer?
I want to take.
Because
No, I have
You want to put shoes on? Let's go.
Ma'am.
Your foot is bleeding, Kiana.
Are you gonna
Yeah,
put
because
shoes
they
on?
messed it up. And you know what?
Put some
I want
shoes on.
all your
Yeah,
names. All
fine.
your names.
They'll all be in the
all
arrest.
your names.
Do you have
Right here
shoes
is
or are you gonna walk
I
out
don't
there?
care. I want my. Let me get my stuff upstairs.
It's not how it works. It's not how it works.
What do you mean that's not how it works? It's my papers.
My phone so I can call them.
No.
We'll get your phone. Where is it?
I just want to get my stuff. I have to get my stuff.
No, because you
I'm going to
violated
tell you what's going to
Put some shoes
happen.
on.
You keep yelling at me.
No.
That's not
I'm
going to
not
solve it.
yelling. I'm just saying because I've never been
No,
arrested.
because no, for identity
Hey,
theft
Paul,
reasons,
because you
she
arrested
needs her documents.
Exactly. That's what I
And
need.
you've been trying to cover.
That's not of importance right now.
It is of
It
importance.
is.
If I don't leave my personal papers out
Right now.
and my purse, let me get my information.
Let her get her
please.
information.
I just want to get my information. That's all.
That's not how it works.
I
Put your
don't
shoes
care
on.
how it works.
Put your
You
shoes
know what?
I'm
I'm gonna put a
go to
lawsuit
his car.
Otherwise, I'm going to walk you to the car with no
Yeah,
shoes.
got it. Let's go.
It's going to be 1 or 2
You
hours.
want shoes on, so you're gonna walk out there
I've asked
for
you a number of times.
You know what?
I need my socks over there.
Now,
Yeah.
I'm trying to be
Where?
very respectful.
And so am I.
No,
And
you're
so
not
am I.
I need you to put your
Well,
shoes
let me find out. I gotta get my other stuff.
It doesn't go like that.
Yes, it does.
Put
Y'all be
your
rambling
shoes
in
on
my
right
stuff, and I
now.
don't want my stuff rambled.
For identity
That's all I'm
theft.
Put your
asking.
shoes on.
No,
Her personal information.
that's what I'm saying. Let me get my personal stuff.
We're gonna wear these.
That's all I'm asking.
No, I need my socks.
I'm not arguing with you, sir. I just need. That's no more than fair. I gotta put my personal papers up. That's why my identity has been stolen.
Mom, just.
And so I don't like that. No, for somebody else to come in here. I'm just saying, y'all are wrong for this. Y'all are wrong for this. Ain't nobody. I'm paying my mortgage just like everybody else paying their mortgage.
Let's go. Watch your step. Let's go. We're getting it. Come on.
Arresting me for, and I ain't do anything wrong. This is whole community of people. Now they've been. No, you've been.
Come on.
You see his
Let's
ice
go.
out here?
We'll walk. How hard is it?
Who the you think you yelling at?
You know what, because you're not listening.
You need to understand. You're not going upstairs. What does your code look like? I'll get
I
it for
want
you.
my. No, I want all my stuff from
That's not
upstairs.
gonna happen.
Y'all been trying to make me surrender up to you. It's this whole
You
community.
pull up 107's car.
Whole community. Here y'all constantly exposing my personal information. We ain't did nothing to
Come on, let's go.
nobody.
Walk.
Do you see his icy?
Walk. I know. Walk. I'm holding on to you so you don't fall.
You
Walk.
lying. You lying. We ain't violate no court order. We followed the judge's instructions. It's just her income. She's doing the best she can. Trying to put somebody in jail. No, y'all trying to make money off of me.
Wait a minute. Why is it only on your mom? You're an able-bodied 35-year-old woman with a big mouth. You can definitely do customer service if nothing else. Sit on a phone in a chair and respond on the phone. Why aren't you paying anything? You see, you're the big problem there. It's her income only. Where's your income? Just sitting up there being big, useless, and loud for no good reason. Makes no sense.
Off of me, us illegally, and we ain't did nothing.
Evan, get in the seat. Let's go. I'll put your jacket on when you get in there.
All right, if I let you go, you're going to be...
I'm not gonna go nowhere. Where am I go?
But you've been combative.
These suckers gave in. No, we're not going to let you go up there. She's up there. Wow. Y'all some suckers. After she's been combative and physically fought with you all, y'all still going to acquiesce and take her up there. I'm going to take her up there for nothing. She would have gotten whatever we gave her and taken her out to the car, and that'd have been it. Y'all some suckers for this.
The whole
No.
time. Relax.
No, because you relax. I never had to have this issue. Wait a minute. Let me put my stuff up. Thank you.
Michelle, we're not going to go organizing all this.
I'm not organized. I'm getting my information.
We're not taking all this stuff with us. Okay? We're not.
I'm looking to see what my phone is. I mean, my what you call is back there.
Purse? Like I said, I don't see a purse.
Okay, that's okay. So this over here. No, you can put that back down, please.
Not a happy camper. So what we'll do, we'll head back. We're going to charge them both with the trespass, obstructing, resisting for the use of force.
Yeah, I'll do one more.
Okay, so before we go in the car, I got to take your purse and your phone. You can't have that in the back, okay? And then that'll go back. That'll go when we get to booking. You'll get it back.
Booking for what? Booking for what? That's what I like to know. Let me put my own phone in my
I got
purse.
it. Let's not do this. It's
Where's
doing
my
too
daughter?
much.
Where's my daughter?
I think she needs to be searched.
For what? I don't have nothing on me, sir.
That's what's got to
Stop
happen.
patting me down.
Everybody goes through this.
I don't care. I'm not everybody.
You're not the exception.
Well, I am.
Everybody. We ain't no
On this side.
Okay. Y'all remember the biggest mistake in your life.
Okay.
The biggest mistake ever.
Okay.
She don't have nothing on her. We ain't no
And that's
damn
dog
criminal.
hair. I don't sit in no dog hair. Can you
Ma'am.
please get that dog hair? I don't sit in there.
Just take a seat in the car.
Take the dog.
Let's cooperate. Let's cooperate. Because that lawsuit coming, baby. That lawsuit
Watch your
coming.
head, all right?
They treating people like we are criminals.
Yeah.
We don't have no record, none whatsoever.
Yeah.
We ain't no criminal. But you guess what?
Excuse me, let me
Y'all
get this
don't want the
seatbelt.
truth to be
You can sit back
exposed.
for me.
I'm losing this because
So that's basically it for the 300. Some of the other information that I got that is that they were both charged with a couple of things. So I think they were both charged with a criminal trespassing misdemeanor, criminal trespassing of a residence, and then they both got charged with resisting obstruction for this right here, thinking that they could hold the line.
This is where they die!
But of course, that was a no-go. It didn't work out for them very well. Yeah, they might want to find some other kind of way to deal with their situation. Who knows what happened with it? We don't have a lot of details. But they're out of here. That's it. And we're out of here with this one. Men's Mind State and Cultural Reviews. Hit the like, subscribe, hype me up in order that I can compete with larger YouTubers. You hitting that hype button and sending me through the algorithm. Watch 2 or 3 videos in a row also to help me get into your personal algorithm so my videos show up on your personal homepage when we drop. Peace. I'm out.